Hey yo, what's up everyone? Today we're gonna talk about functions in Python. Yeah, the first thing, if you're bored like this, the simple function, yeah, the answer is right, but it is easy. We need the easy way. Alright, here is the easiest way in the Python. We can create Lambda functions. It's easy to use and it's easy to read. Okay, the first thing we need a variable and parameters, and we just call it. All right, that is easy. And after that, here is a trick for a lambda in Python. Okay, we can call a lambda function in the inside of the function. Yeah, you can look at this more deeply. Yeah, that is easy to use and easy to read. And we just variable, here is the variable, and it's a equal to 10 and x equal to 9, and the right answer is 90. Yeah, that's 1 minute. Thank you for everyone.